Hi guys, today I've got an easy 1 minute half up half down hairstyle. This can be done on straight or wavy hair, and to start I've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to divide the hair off from the top of the ear and bring it round to the back. Add some wax spray and smooth the hair down. Then just secure this to the head with a row of diagonal bobby pins. I've used 3. All the products I use I'll link in the description below. Then move on to the opposite side of the head and again leave a piece of hair out to frame the face and take the hair from the ear upwards. Apply your wax spray, this helps with flyaways and gives great hold. Smooth the hair down and we're going to bring this around to the back, twisting it towards the head as we go. Lay that twist over the top of the bobby pins and then just secure it with a closed bobby pin through the centre of the twist at the bottom and at the top. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.